ungrateful fuck. Oh, hey, watch it, alright? Ungrateful fuck. Shut up! Why? I told you why. I cannot live like this anymore. I can't do it to Jess. I can't do it to myself. And I'm sick and tired of working for the Starks of the world. The lowest scum of the earth, buying their way out of their own messes. These people are victims of plot, and they need our help. This guy is a murderer at large who needs our help. Hey, their business equals their business.
What the fuck are you doing?